He learned chess at 6. By 13, he played what became known as the game of the century, sacrificing his queen in a move of shocking brilliance. This was Bobby Fischer, an American prodigy who studied the board for up to 14 hours a day. His focus was total, his ambition absolute, to dismantle the Soviet chess machine, single-handedly. By 1972, he got his chance. In Reykjavik, Iceland, he faced world champion Boris Spassky. The match became a symbol of the Cold War, one American against the Soviet Empire. After forfeiting a game and making bizarre demands, Fischer unleashed a storm of creativity over the board. He won, ending 24 years of Soviet chess dominance and igniting a chess boom in America. He was the king. But then, the king abdicated. In 1975, he refused to defend his title over disputes about the rules and simply vanished. For 20 years, he was a ghost. He resurfaced in 1992 for a rematch against Spassky in war-torn Yugoslavia, a country under U.S. sanctions. When warned by the U.S. Treasury, he held a press conference and spat on the letter. This act made him a fugitive. His exile was filled with darkness. His public statements became hateful, anti-Semitic, and anti-American, tarnishing the image of the hero he once was. Yet, even in isolation, his mind was on chess. He patented a new chess clock that's now standard in tournaments and invented Fischer Random Chess, a variant designed to crush memorization and elevate creativity. He was improving the game he had abandoned. Bobby Fischer died in Iceland, the site of his greatest triumph, still a fugitive from his home country. His life remains the ultimate chess problem, a story of perfect, cold logic on the board, and a chaotic, tragic humanity away from